Now, in this video, we will be doing chapter number 8, quadrilaterals, and we will be doing exercise 8.1, and this is part 2 of our video. In the previous video, I have told you question number 2. Now we will be starting with question number 3. Now what is question number 3? It is, show that if the diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other, show that the question is, if the diagonals of quadrilaterals bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. Say for example, this is a figure. And we make it like rhombus only. Let it be A, B, C and D. It is a quadrilateral and it is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral and AC bisects DB. These are the two diagonals in which these two diagonals bisect each other at right angles. That means each angle is 90 degree here. What we have to prove? We have to prove this ABCD as a rhombus. So now what is a rhombus? Rhombus is a parallelogram in which all the four sides are equal, right? So now what we have to do in this case, we take triangle AOB and AOD. We have taken this triangle AOB and AOD. We take these two triangles and we prove them congruent. Just see how can we prove them congruent. We can take AO is common to both for this triangle also and for this triangle also. Yes, देखो दोबारा से. This is a quadrilateral that we are given and we have taken these two triangles. In these two triangles, this is common for both. These two are 90 degree each because it is given that they bisect each other at 90 degree. So these two are 90 degree each. Also, we have this side is equals to this. That means DO is equals to OB because it is also given that they bisect each other, right? So when in a triangle, three things are equal, we can say that the triangles are congruent, and in this case we have taken AO is equals to AO, common, angle 1 is equals to, you can put angle 1 and you can put angle 2 here. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2, each 90 degree. Also BO is equals to DO because it is given that diagonals bisect each other. That means these two triangles are congruent by SAS rule of congruency. When triangles are, we have proved that they are congruent, then we can take any of the two sides or any of the angles or anything of those two triangles and we can put them as equal. So then we can say that side AB is equals to side AD. Okay? Similarly, if we take other two triangles, we take AOB and BOC, then in this case we can prove AOB is equals to BOC. ये वाले दोनों triangles equal हो सकते हैं. When these two triangles are equal, we can say that AB is equals to BC. In this case, we can say AB is equals to BC. That means in the same way, by taking two triangles, we can prove all the four sides equals to each other, right? And when all the four sides are equal, then we say that it is a rhombus, right? When all four sides are equal, also diagonals bisect each other and also they bisect at 90 degree, then we call that it is a rhombus. Fine? Okay. Now we move on to the next question, that is question number 4, and it says, show that diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. What we have to show? That diagonals of a square are equal. We have to show that AC and DB, they are equal and bisect each other at right angles. That means what we are given? We are just given that ABCD is a square. We are given ABCD is a square. This we are given. That means we are given that all four sides are equal. That's it. What we have to prove? That diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Diagonals are equal. कौन से हैं diagonals? Diagonals are AC and DB. We have to prove them. These are equal. Also that they bisect each other. Bisect each other matlab AO is equal to OC and BO is equals to OD. This we have to prove. Now for proof, what we do? We take two triangles AOB, this triangle and this triangle, right? We take these two triangles and we prove these two triangles as congruent. Now can you tell me how can we prove these two triangles as congruent? देखो, we have a square we just have the diagonals and we take these two triangles and we have to prove them congruent. Now, this angle will be equal to this angle. Yes or no? Yes. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Vertically opposite angles. AB is equals to CD, opposite sides of a square. Also, this angle will be equal to this angle. Let it be 3, let it be 4. Angle 3 is equals to angle 4, alternate interior angles. That means these two triangles are congruent. When these two triangles are congruent, we can take the sides that DO and OB equal and CO and OA equal. Can we take? See once again. We have taken AOB and COD. इसमें sides are equal, one thing. Vertically opposite angles are equal, second thing. And alternate angles are equal, third thing. Triangles are congruent. When triangles are congruent, we can take any parts, corresponding parts of those triangles, and we can put them equal. So now here AOB is equal to COD by SAS rule. ASA rule. Because we have taken, it is not SAS, it is ASA. Because we have taken two angles, and where are those two angles? This is angle and this also is the angle. So by AA rule of congruency, right? Then similarly we have taken like AO, OC equal ho gaya, BO and OD equal ho gaya. That means one thing we have proved, that they bisect each other. Now main thing is left, that is they bisect each other at right angles, right? They bisect each other at right angles. This is left. And how we have to prove that they bisect each other at right 90 degree? We take another two triangles AOB and BOC. अब दो adjacent triangles लेने हैं हमें. Prove adjacent triangles congruent. How? Same way. AB is equal to BC, opposite sides of square. BO is common for both. And AO is equals to OC. Just now we have proved that they are equal. So these two triangles are congruent by SSS rule. एक साइड ये ली हमने, one side, second side and third side. So these two triangles are congruent by SSS rule. When these two triangles are congruent, then can we say that this angle is equal to this angle? Yes, by CPCT. Can we say? जब हमारे पास ये एक square है and we have proved these two triangles congruent, that means this angle and this angle will be equal by CPCT. AOB is equals to COB. How? By CPCT. When these two are equal and we know sum of these two will be 180 degree. एक ही लाइन पर अगर दो एंगल्स होते हैं then sum is 180 degree, and when both are equal that means single angle is 90 degree. That means AOB is 90 degree. That means here one angle is 90 degree and diagonals are bisecting. So this is what we were to prove, that diagonals are equal and bisect each other. This is what we have done in this question, right? Once again, let me tell you question number 4. We are given a square, और square में हमें क्या निकालना है? That diagonals are equal and they bisect each other at 90 degree. Now what we are doing here is that we take first of all opposite triangles and we prove the congruency for making diagonals bisect each other. Right? And they are congruent by this. AOB is congruent to COD by angle, and this is the side given, so we cannot write angle and side, so we just write AA property. Right? That means triple A property. Then we have proved that diagonals are bisecting. Now they are bisecting at right angle, मतलब वो 90 degree show करना है. Then we take adjacent triangles, we prove them congruent, and they are proved congruent by SSS rule of congruency. वो भी congruent हो गए. When two adjacent angles are equal and they are on a same line, that means the single angle is 90 degree. Right? So this is what we have done in question number 4. Now next, please try question number 5 also in the same manner. 6 and 7 too. Next we will be starting with question number 8. Fine? Okay.